Hi, Dr. Frank Simoncini, the Flow Fixer, Southeast Valley Urology. Come and see me in the office in Gilbert. Why are we the premier practice in the Southeast Valley? We still answer the phones. We have had the same staff with us, some of them for over 25 years. 3 of them are there over 20 years. We're there to provide service to the patients. We do the very best we can. Premier Urologic Group, Premier Urologic Cancer Group, Center of Excellence for UroLift, BPH, Center of Excellence for penile implant, Coloplast Titan penile implant, Dr. Frank Simoncini, the only one in the state of Arizona. Give us a chance, come and see us. Call for an appointment now, 480-924-7333. Dr. Frank Simoncini, Southeast Valley Urology, the Flow Fixer.